Good morning. Thank you for the warm welcome, Randy, and everybody else. Let us start with a meditation. Maybe you can just feel your presence in the chair. Feel yourself being seated. And just notice how you feel. Maybe there's some tension. Maybe there's some worry, some fear or grief. Just notice what you're feeling right now. It's all okay. Just notice how you breathe. Maybe you forgot that you have lungs that you can breathe through really deeply if you want to, if you choose to. Why don't you take a deeper breath and feel the air flow in really slowly, and then you just let it go. No restriction. Just breathe. And if we feel the breath going through our hearts, we energize our heart because our awareness is around the heart. Without trying hard, just breathe and feel the air flow. Notice how natural it actually comes. And while breathing, maybe you can feel even an emotion of deep connection with one another and gratitude for being here. Gratitude for being able to take those breaths. And while you're doing this, you create a very coherent field environment around your heart, inside your body, but it even radiates outside of your body, all around you. Just keep feeling the breath going in and out. And the less hard you try, the more natural it feels. This is the oneness that we talk about, whether it's in religion or other spiritual concepts. We are literally deeply connected to one another. Maybe you can feel that when you breathe through the area of your heart. You can feel an emotion of gratitude or care or maybe compassion. These are all qualities of the heart. And if they're not overshadowed by fear, they're very powerful. The heart is very powerful. This is different than force. Force usually meets resistance. But the power of the heart comes natural. It's been given to you. You can use it freely every single moment of the day. On your next in-breath, radiate this care and compassion to yourself. You're worth it. You didn't come here by accident. And the next time you breathe out, just visualize radiating this same compassion and care to all those around you. When you breathe in again, just be open to to feel that from the other people. It's genuine. When it comes from the heart, it's pure. It's never conditional. The heart doesn't know any conditions. And while you have created a very coherent field environment around you, just keep radiating that from inside your heart. Visualize it, radiating it out into the room. Out on the streets, to the people who need it the most, who are in need of more balanced health, who are fearful, who are suffering. And while we're suffering, it's okay to let the beauty of the heart in. Keep your focus around your heart while breathing, and just know that whatever you radiate, it doesn't know any time or place. It's not linear. God doesn't think and work in a linear way. It works limitless. Love doesn't know any linearity. It's omnipresent. And we can tap into this every single moment of our day. Not just when we need it the most, but just stop ourselves in our busy lives and feel the gratitude for being alive. Just keep breathing through this for a few moments. Can you feel it? This is the power of love, the power of light. There's no need to stand in your own shadow. You've been born in a magnificent body. It's yours to use it without any shame, without any doubt. If you feel that you're anything less than the perfection that once created you, that will be an insult to the Creator. And maybe finish this brief meditation with just 2 words to yourself. And just say to yourself, thank you.